So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Alabang One Premier here sa Las Piñas kasi may bagong open na branch ng Nail Lashes Beauty Lounge. And you know, as a Dora the Explorer, pupuntahan natin yung mga branch ng Nail Lashes kasi favorite salon ko to ever since. Sa kanila ko unang na-experience yung nail extensions and eyelash extensions. So ayan, nagpapalinis ako ng paa. Tapos nagpa-gel din ako na manicure. Sobrang ganda, nakakadalaga siya, Vevs, nakakayamarn. Now naman, they are working on my nails. Trip ko yung medyo pa-demure na nude with gold and white. So ayan, ang ganda-ganda. Their staffs are great. I-welcome kanila with so much joy. Their place is also aesthetically pleasing, kaya every corner is Instagrammable. They have Taft, Makati, Quezon, and Parañaque branch. Tara na sa Nail Lashes and magpamper ka na kasi you deserve it. Salamat sa pagsama!